December na. Marami sa atin, nasa chill mode na, nagpapahinga na, nagbabakasyon na. You know what? I used to do that few years ago because sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, nagtrabaho naman ako ng buong taon and December is the perfect time para mag-chill. It's the season, di ba? To enjoy. But I realized that December and January is the best time to grow your business. Ito kasi yung nabasa ko sa isang libro. Marami daw pera ang nagagawa every time na magkakaroon ng entry at exit ng event. Kunwari, may ikakasal. Ang daming gastusin dyan. Bibili ka ng damit, maghahanap ka ng host, catering, and everything. Entry and exit. December and January is the best time to grow your business because it's an exit of 2025 and it's an entry of 2026. Ibig sabihin, gusto nilang ma-enjoy na yung perang pinagpaguran nila at kapag 2026, yung mga natira nilang pera is gagamitin nila for their hope for a better 2026. So, December and January is the best time to grow your business. Kaya for us business owner, double time.